The 2007 Ram Pickup 2500. The Ram 2500 is built with sturdy hydro-formed frames and capable four-wheel drive options to handle the toughest job site terrain while maintaining a smooth ride, and is priced below $25,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, tow hitch, air conditioning, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, four-wheel drive, keyless entry, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, power windows, power door locks, passenger airbag, CD player, trip computer, intermittent wipers, chrome wheels, auxiliary audio input, cloth seats. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.